Hakone ang go-to ng marami sa atin dito sa Pampanga pagdating sa matcha cravings. They have definitely established themselves as one of the top players when it comes to the local matcha scene. Ang current favorite ko dito ngayon ay yung Hojicha. Ikaw ba? Anyway, meron silang bagong bukas na branch dito sa may The Infinity Shops, yung malapit sa Landers and Marquee Mall. So tara, bisitahin natin sila. This is a full-on cafe with a spacious and fully air-conditioned na dining area, kaya masarap tambayan. Sa mga hindi pa nakakatry ng Hakone, bukod sa matcha, meron din silang coffee, soft serve, Mont Blanc, cheesecake, truffles, iba't ibang flavors ng mochi, at kung maghahanap ka naman ng rice, meron din silang mga poke bowl. At para masaya at magulo ang kainan today, sinama ko yung mga pamangkin ko para magmerienda. First up, we're having some mochi. It comes in 6 different flavors. Ang pinaka-classic syempre ay itong matcha and red bean. Ang favorite ko naman out of their 6 flavors ay itong dark chocolate because it really gives you that bitter chocolate taste that I just love. Apart from that, meron din itong creme brulee, dolce crunch, ube cheese, at strawberry daifuku. After that, we'll be moving on to their truffles. This is available naman in 4 variants. Of course, you can have it plain. Ito naman yung strawberry cheesecake, and then meron din sila ng Biscoff flavor. Pero alam mo, sa 4 na truffles, ang pinakagusto naming lahat ay yung savory. This one has kani salad, a mayo-based takoyaki sauce, and nori. The best yan, promise, subukan nyo. Sa poke bowl naman, they have 4 different variants and we're trying out 2. Itong una ay yung spicy salmon. It has Japanese rice, cucumbers, mango, wakame salad, edamame, egg, tempura skin, and fish roe. This one naman is miso spa. It's a good mix of sweet and savory, meron ding egg and edamame, and itong mga poke bowl nila is both high in fiber and protein. Go-to order ko dito yung matcha ice cream, pero for today, itong mochi soft serve ang in-order namin. Panalo kasi talaga yung texture niya no? Very chewy and stretchy. Kaya grabe, nakaka-addict lalo itong cheesecake nila na binalot ng mochi. Nakakaiyak, yung ang sarap, gusto mo pang kumain, kaso busog ka na kasi medyo heavy rin talaga itong mga to. And lastly, sa mga drinks naman, ang top 2 favorites ko dito ay yung Hojicha at saka yung matcha coconut. At etong mga bagets naman, ang nagustuhan ay yung matcha with banana pudding. If you're in the mood for coffee, marami ring pagpipilian, but what I found interesting is this Hakone latte with mamcha. So meron siya sinker na parang warabi mochi. Kaya if you love that chewy texture, definitely try this out.